Bonjour French ladies. Many of you who watch my style of videos tell me that you suffer from bunions and that you can't wear heels anymore. In the interest of full disclosure, here are mine. They're not bad, but I certainly can't dance in my heels all night anymore. And I do notice them and some slight discomfort. I looked into exercises and remedies you can do at home. Remember, nothing compares with medical opinion. So if in doubt, consult your doctor. The best exercises I found for bunion pain relief are coming up. But first, how do you know you have a bunion? Well, if your big toes are red, swollen, and hurt, guess what? You've got bunions. A bunion, also called hallux valgus, it's a deformity of the joint between the big toe and the foot. The big toe bends towards the other toes and the joint becomes red and inflamed. In severe cases, you can get calcium deposit inside the joint. Bunions are often caused by wearing ill-fitting shoes. Those are squashes your toes and high heels. Genetics and also the natural aging process can also cause bunions. There are several treatment options available, varying from lifestyle changes to surgery. Switch to shoes that are wide and comfortable, especially in the toe box area. This helps to reduce the pressure on the bunion and reduce pain. Look for shoes that give your toes plenty of room to move. Avoid high heels and pointed toes that can worsen the condition by applying more pressure to the bunion. Option 2. Orthotics inserts can be beneficial. These custom-made or over-the-counter inserts can help to realign the toes and reduce the pressure. Orthotics can make a significant difference in both comfort and function, particularly when walking or standing for a long period of time. Option 3. Toe separators. They are small devices placed between the toes that help to realign your toe and help reduce the pressure on the bunion. They work by pushing the big toe towards a more natural position, and this can alleviate discomfort and slow down the progression of the bunion. Option 4. Apply an ice pack to the bunion area to reduce inflammation and for pain relief. This is especially effective for flare-ups and after a long day standing up. Option 5. Surgeries. There are different types of bunion surgeries. They can range from simply removing the bony bump on the side of the toe, or they can be more complex surgeries that have to realign the bones of your foot. Each procedure is tailored to each patient's condition, so the surgeon would recommend what is the best treatment or surgery for you. But the full recovery for surgery can take a few weeks to even months. Do you have bunions? How bad are your bunions? Have you had surgery or the treatment? Let us know in the comments. And now what you've been waiting for. 10 exercises for bunion pain relief. These exercises will help to reduce pain by improving flexibility and strengthening the muscles around the toe area. Wait to the end for my top exercise that help for my pain relief. First exercise, toe stretches. This exercise increases flexibility in the toes and helps release tension around the bunion. Sit in a comfortable position with your feet flat on the floor. Stretch your toes out as wide as possible while holding the stretch for 5 to 10 seconds. Then curl your toes inward and hold for another 5 to 10 seconds. Repeat this exercise 10 times. The second exercise, towel grip and pull. This exercise strengthens the muscles in the arch of your foot and improves toe flexibility. Place a small towel flat on the floor. Sit with your feet flat on the towel. Using only your toes, grab the towel and pull it towards you. Once the towel is bunched up, straighten it back out with your toes. Repeat 5 times. Next exercise, toe flex and point. This exercise improves toe flexibility and mobility. Sit with your feet extended in front of you. Flex your toes by putting them back towards your body and hold for 5 seconds. Then point your toes away from your body and hold for another 5 seconds. Repeat 10 times on each foot. Next exercise, marble pickup. This exercise strengthens the small muscles in your feet and improves coordination. Place a small ball or pebbles on the floor. Using your toes, pick the small ball or pebbles one at a time and place it in the bowl. Aim to pick up 10 to 20 balls or pebbles per foot. The next exercise is big toe stretch. This helps to realign the big toe and stretch the muscles around the bunion. Sit on the floor with one leg extended and the other bent. Use your hand to gently pull your big toe back toward your ankle while holding the stretch for 10 seconds. Release and repeat 5 times on each foot. Next exercise is foot roll. And this exercise relieves tension and stretches the muscles in the foot arch. Use a tennis ball or a frozen water bottle. While sitting, place the ball or bottle under the arch of your foot. Roll it back and forth from your toes to your heel 2 to 3 minutes on each foot. The next exercise is toe spread outs. This exercise strengthens the muscles that control toe alignment and reduces tension in the bunion area. Sit with your feet flat on the floor. Try to spread your toes apart as much as possible, as if you are trying to make space between each toe. Hold the spread for 5 seconds, then relax. Repeat 10 times on each foot. Next, heel raises. This strengthens the muscles in the calves and the arch of the foot, which helps support the toes. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, holding onto a chair or a wall for balance. Slowly rise onto your tiptoes, lifting your heels as high as possible. Hold for 5 seconds, then lower back down slowly. Repeat 10 to 15 times. The next exercise is toe squeezes with a resistance band. This strengthens the muscles in the toes and improves toe alignment. Place a resistance band around your big toes. Try to pull your toes apart against the resistance of the band, holding the stretch for 5 seconds. Relax and repeat 10 times. The 10th exercise is ankle circles. This exercise improves the circulation, the flexibility, and strengthens the muscles around the ankle and foot. Sit or lie down with your leg extended. Slowly rotate your foot in a circular motion at the ankle, making sure to move in both directions. Do 10 circles clockwise and 10 circles counterclockwise on each foot. And now for my absolute favorite exercise for bunion pain relief. So you can do this yourself or ask a partner, it's even better. But massage the whole foot and especially around your toe, all around it, in between the toes, and massage your foot well. And there's a point especially under the foot. That's really good. And you really apply some pressure there. And you also can apply pressure on the other side of your bunion. Go right in here. And that is really good to relieve the pain that you can feel from your bunion. Talking to you about bunion pain relief feels really good. But if you want to know which best shoes to wear with bunions, watch my video on screen now.